From beakers to beauty, we love to craft skincare that loves you back. Hi, I am Ruparna Ghosh Manchanda, your skincare formulator and director at Millies Natural Beauty, and we love to bring many amazing workshops on skincare making. But this time, as promised, I will be bringing shampoo making workshops, something related to hair which we have not done before. So shampoo making workshop I am bringing on 11th of July 3 to 5 p.m. Zoom live, and this is just not how to make a shampoo, but this will also about concept of surfactant science in hair care products, majorly cleanser products. So that is what we will be learning along with basic formulation of shampoo with SLS, and I will also teach you how the SLS concept works. And more than that, we will be learning herbal shampoo making. Herbal shampoo making which can cater all your needs like your anti-dandruff, anti-hair fall and many more. So this workshop is a bit different than before because this is the first time Millies Natural Beauty School is bringing a test along with this workshop, and the passing marks of this test will be 80%. So this will be an online test which will be happening on 12th of July 3 to 4 p.m. I will be sharing the link with all of you, and you have to qualify this test, and after scoring your desired marks, like it should be 80% and above, you will get a certificate from us for the whole completion and qualification. So this is Millies Natural Beauty. So this particular shampoo making workshop is just for 800 rupees. All the details will be given below, and you can also click on the link given and you can enroll for this. So quickly enroll yourself and start learning about shampoo making workshop. Any doubt, any query, follow us on Instagram at Millies Natural Beauty. Follow us on YouTube as well, like subscribing us, same at Millies Natural Beauty. And obviously you can DM us and join our WhatsApp chat also in the name of Learning Skincare with MNB. So see you all on 11th of July 3 to 5 p.m. shampoo making workshop, and let's get ready for test. See you all.